Eicher's class. Today we finish adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Can you add and subtract mixed numbers?
Yes.
You can, but do we ever really add or subtract mixed numbers? No, we'll talk about that in a second. Okay, vocab was all review, so I'm just going to pick a couple things. How do you know if a fraction is improper? How do you know if a fraction is improper? The numerator is bigger than the denominator. Sweet. Around the world is how we convert what to what? Love it. All right. When adding or subtracting mixed numbers, you must convert them to what? So are we really ever going to add or subtract a mixed number? No, because when adding or subtracting them, you must convert them to improper fractions before you do anything else. So an example of this would be 2 1/2 plus 1 1/2. Is this a mixed number? Is this a mixed number? Can I add mixed numbers together? No, it says right here you can't. So I converted them using what process? What's the method or what's the process we use to convert mixed numbers to impropers? Do you need to show this? So if I go around the world, 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5, right?
Yes.
My denominator stays the same, yes?
Yes.
And I do the same thing with that one.
Yes.
Now I have 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Are my denominators the same?
Yes.
So I just add?
Yes.
5 plus 3 is what?
8.
My denominator stays the same, yes?
Yes.
Now, this is an answer. We did the work, we got an answer, but is an improper fraction an acceptable answer? No, so then to convert an improper back into a mixed number, or in this case a whole number, what do we use? What is this technically? A fraction bar is a division sign, right?
Yes.
So 8 divided by 2 is 4, final answer, yes? Here's just another example. I'm going to skip down to number 9 and number 10. Let's read number 9 together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So no answer can be an improper fraction. Always convert to a mixed number, right? Okay. I'm going to skip number 11. It's just another example. Number 12. Is this a mixed number? Is this a mixed number? So what must I convert them to? Improper fractions. So if I convert 5 and 9/10 to an improper fraction, I get 59 over 10, right? If I convert 2 1/5 to an improper fraction, I get 11 over 5, right? Okay, so now my new fractions are 59 over 10 minus 11 over 5. Can I subtract those two fractions?
No.
Why?
Because
The denominators aren't the same. You can't subtract or add fractions if the denominators are different, right?
Yes.
So what method do we use to find common denominators? All right, so I use my bubbles. I got my new equivalent fractions. Can I subtract now?
Yes.
That's my answer. Is that acceptable?
Yes.
37 over 10 is an acceptable answer?
No.
I can just box this up?
No.
Why is it unacceptable?
Because it's improper.
And how do you turn an improper fraction back into a mixed number?
Divide.
What number always goes inside the box when you're dividing an improper fraction?
Numerator.
The top number is called the what?
Numerator.
We good?